Hey everybody, I'm Marty. Wilson Marty. Thanks for coming back and checking out another video. If you got your doors off of your Jeep and you got no mirrors because you took them off, you need mirrors to be legal. So I got some awesome mirrors right here that I picked up on, and I will show you how to install these and show you how to think about them. And they're cool. They got that American flag on there. Look at that. How awesome is that? Let's check this out. So the doors are off, right? The doors are off the Jeep. Check this out. No doors. So what do? You need some mirrors. So these mirrors here are supposed to pop this little plastic piece off right here underneath. This pops off this little square and it just screws right in there. Ooh, that was a loud piece of thunder right there. So it just screws right into there, right? And you install it. You got some cool looking mirrors here, American flag. Have you a good time with the doors off. All right, so I'm gonna go out here and I'm gonna install one and show you guys how to do it. All right, we'll be right back. So I lied a second ago. You don't take off the bottom, you actually take off the top. The thing's a little wobbly. I'll tighten that one up. So you actually pop off the top one and you just take it out, twist it out of there, and then you take the right side for the right one, put it in there, and then they give you the bolts and everything. I am missing something in my hand. Oh, there it is. And you just screw this in. You take out the factory bolt that holds in that piece that you take out, and then you just screw this right into the same hole. Yeah. This little thing right here is what you pop off. It goes there and you just pop it out. It can't see you. It's zoomed in. Oh my God, it can see you in the background. Aha. So you just put this in here. We'll speed this up. Oh no. I think that when it comes time to take the doors and the top off the Jeep, this is going to be the longest part, is putting on the mirrors. Everything else is pretty quick. And there we go. All right, that's in there. Now, the mirrors only go on one side. And you'll figure that out pretty quickly if you put it on the wrong side, because the cutout that's right here matches that way. Like that. Bam. You just pop that in there, and it just screws in like this. Let's get it started with your finger first, though. Just don't over tighten it. There you go. And then it has all these different points on here to adjust. Once you get it adjusted, you can go out there and like adjust it. Now you're gonna have to have someone in the passenger seat, like old school. It's not power mirror. So you're gonna have to have somebody hang out there and adjust it for you. So I'll show you guys these attachments on here. So there's all these little points right here. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right here. These are the ones you're gonna wanna tighten down once you get it set to where you want it to be so that you can see out. So I'll go ahead and get these adjusted, and then I will show you how it looks at the end. All right, so I got all the mirrors on, and this is kind of what they look like. They got the American flag on the front of them. You can kind of see there on this one. Pretty cool, right? And it goes really good with the tube doors, half doors that are on there. And you can see it from here. Like, it looks really good on there. Really good, and the way it flows with the tube doors is really nice too. Just all flows together in there. And JoyTutus. Yeah, and it comes with this nice protector film on here. You just take it and voila. There it is. So you can back up so you can see. So there she is, all doors off. She's ready to go. Let me get this wide angle lens so you can see better. There you go. Look at that. It's very nice, right? All right. So, hope you guys like it. I'll have a link to that down below in the description there, so you can click it if you want one. Check it out. The brackets are like steel, metal. I forgot to show you that. So there's a lot of it that's really high quality, it seems like. It doesn't feel cheap. And they weren't that much money, so they're very nice. I like the American flags on them. They're great. That looks really cool. And they're not attached to the door, so when you open the door, you ain't got to worry about beating on them. And online, it showed that actually the mirrors here, if you actually were to like, if you're off-roading and you hit it, the way this is, it's designed so that it just folds in. And this, actually that's what this metal is right here to protect it. This is metal. So it protects it. So if you whack it, it just bends in. You can bend it back out. So yeah, they're pretty cool. I like them a lot. Looks really cool. Can't wait to get out here and really get some pictures and videos of everything with it all on there together. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me and everything, guys. Until next time, see ya. Bye.